Hello, fellow steamers. St. Paul Steam and Machine here. We got in the shop today. It's a Stuart Turner oil field pumper. A lot of you have seen these. These are pretty nice kits when done correctly, and they go for a little bit when you ever see them online. This one needed some work, so it was sent in to me for repairs. I'm going to do a little overview of it. First off, I noticed when it was shipped to me, the box was too small. And this was protruding out of the top of it, and I thought, oh, that's not good. Right off, I can notice it sits there at an angle. So something got bent if it wasn't like that in the first place. I think maybe I can loosen this brackets here. Maybe that'll come out and move a little bit. Maybe we can straighten that up easy enough. It's missing the clevis. It's got the nut. Should be a clevis holding those wires, so I'll probably have to fashion one of those. I noticed that 3 of the 4 nuts are missing off the water pump jacket. Yeah. So I don't know if this is a functioning water pump or if he wants it to be one or not. I don't care for these screws there. I just think they're out of place and don't look well. These are obviously 2x4s or 2x6s that they've layered on each other, and they don't meet all that well. JWD has put his name on here. It was made evidently in '98. Got some nice taggage. The biggest problem is it doesn't rotate, and I found out quickly that I assume the shaft is supposed to be soldered to that gear, and the shaft rotates. Gear generally doesn't. It'll spin on the shaft. Yeah. Gear spinning, shaft is not moving. And these counterbalances are not really in sync, not 100% anyway, and they should be dead straight with each other, and they shouldn't work independently like that. And that nut's loose there. Another thing I noticed is several thousandths looseness in this pulley. They may have did that just to make it all work. We're going to take it apart, and I may put some bushings in there to tighten that up. Somebody's put this must be, it's continuous. I don't even see which join, so they've had to take that off to get that belt in there because there's no joint in it. But we're going to give it some love, see if we can't make it actually function and make it a beautiful working steam accessory again. So I just want to shoot a little bit before video and show this. It's a beautiful piece. Hopefully we can get it going. I would have probably knocked those threaded bolts down a little bit so they didn't protrude like that. This side's not so bad. And, we're going to take it apart, and at least some. See what we can see. Thanks for looking, folks. Bye now. St. Paul Steam out.